All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. As you can see here, got some cases for the iPhone XR. We're going to go ahead and do an unboxing of all the cases here. The UV Sport is one of my favorite cases. If you don't know what it looks like, let me go ahead and show you. Shout out to Supcase Unicorn Beetle sending these over for review to demo for you. Here is the first case here. This is such a beautiful design, man. It's unreal. This is actually a very strong and sturdy case. You can see all the ports and everything, how it lines up. Camera cutout, Apple logo, and then that sporty look right there. And you got some ports here, open up down there. You've got a little Supcase logo right here. The vibrate, mute switch, volume rocker, power button. And you've got that shock absorber inners. So let's pop this on. You can see this is how it looks. This is a red one. I'm going to actually put on each one of these colors here. You can see how it works here with all the ports and everything. The camera is now recessed, and they keep the Apple logo. I would actually like to see this without this Apple logo open, but I understand why they do it. You know what I'm saying? They want to have the logo open, whatever. But there you have it. The button in here, kind of deeply recessed, not too much, but you put a nail in there and you're good. All right, let's try the different colors here. You obviously have a spot for a lanyard right there. This is a beautiful color. This is the gray and like powder blue. And depending on what color phone you have, you know. Same thing here. You'll see all the ports and everything line up. Yeah, depending on what color phone you have, you do have a little bit of lip protection, and this phone does have a tempered glass on it. So, you know, that's something to be mindful of. You got room for a tempered glass. Let's pop it open. Nice, snug fit. Let's go on to the next color here. And this is obviously a black and gray color. These cases feel really good, and they're actually really strong feeling cases, man. The button feedback on here is really strong, really nice. You shouldn't see any difference in that. Only difference is you're gonna have some protection now that's not so bulky, but at the same time looks really good. So let's try on the last case here. These are all very beautiful cases. And this yellow one here is absolutely beautiful. Yellow and white. So these are some beautiful cases, man. I mean, I don't know how you could go wrong with any of these nice, vibrant colors here. That will be up to you. But this is your man, Jay Will. Check these out. You can find these on Amazon. I'll try to remember to put a link in the description. But check these out. I think you'll be pretty pleased at what you see from these, the quality from these cases. Absolutely fantastic, man. These are all for the XR. They actually have these for other devices too. So be sure to check this out, man. I'm really feeling these colors, man. This is so nice. So nice, man. So nice. If you're wondering, this is my wife's XR. It's not mine. There you go. It's your man Jay. I'm out.